this series we are going to learn basic commands of Git. So without delay, let's start. Okay. So first of all, where we want to create our Git folder, let's click on right. I want to create here. Okay. So click on Git bash here. Let me zoom it so you can see it clearly. First, let's create one folder. For creating folder, I am using command here, make directory, and I am naming it as Git folder. Okay, so here you can see one folder is created. Now let's get into our Git folder inside. So now check our present working directory. So here you can see we are currently inside our Git folder. Let's click OK. Now to make this folder as a Git, we have to initialize it as a Git. To initialize this folder as a Git, we have to write command git init. So one Git folder will be created here. Okay. So now this folder will work as a Git local repository, and subfolder also we consider and track by our Git folder. Okay, so now whatever the files we will create here and inside the subfolder, it will track by this Git folder. Okay, so before making any file or perform operation, I am just configuring my details here. Git config hyphen global user dot name space. Here I have to provide my username Java and just click enter. After that, as I enter my username, I have to enter my email also. Simple dot I for Java @ gmail.com. So now we are done with this. Okay, so let's create some file here to perform Git operations. Okay, so to create file, I am using here touch command index.html. So now you can see here one file is created. Let's create more files. Touch log.txt, touch info.txt. So here you can see our file is created. Okay, now let's click here and add something. Hello, this is Git demo tutorial, and save it. Come to our Git bash. To add this file in a staging area, we have to use command called git add. Suppose if we want to add any particular file, we have to write name of file here. Okay, txt. So that file will be come into staging area. Before adding, okay, let's first check the status of our file. Okay, to check status, we have to write git status. Here you can see it is showing in a red color, so it means this file are in unstaged area. To move that files in a staging area, I am writing command here git add, and here I am adding only one file currently, and I'll show you other way to add in a staging area also. Now check git status. So you can see here this files come in staging area, so it is showing in a green color, and which file is in a unstaging area that are showing in a red color. Suppose if you want to add according to any extension based in a staging area like star.txt. So whatever the files we have with this extension, those will be added in staging area. Okay, let's click and now check this status. So now you can see here these two files in a staging area, and this one is not considered in a staging area. So to make all file in staging area, we have to write git add space dot. What it will do, it will add all files whatever present in this folder or inside subfolder. Okay, now check status. So you can see here our all files are in a staging area now, but this is not at committed. Okay, so this will not can be pushed over in a remote repository. So let's commit it also. To commit any file, we have a two way. First is we have to give a details, and it will open a pop-up window. Okay, let me show you. Okay, here you can see we can't do any edit or update here. Okay, to update or edit or modify this message or anything whatever here write, we have to press I. Okay, now we can write anything here. So here we have to provide any commit message. So I am writing here first commit. To commit it, we have to uncomment it. Now to come out from this pop-up window, we have to press escape and then write here colon WQ. So we had successfully committed our files. Suppose if I am making any changes, let me make here. Hi guys, this is Git tutorial, and now save it. Come to our bash command prompt, and now if we check our git status, it will show here that file has modified. Now it's come into unstage area. Okay, now we have to again add it. So I'm writing command here. Okay, now check git status. So here you can see this file is now in a stage area. Let's commit it also, and now I am committing in a different way. This is a easy way. We can just write a message in a command line only, and our commit will be successful. Okay, so git commit -m and then space colon, write a commit message like I am writing here. This is second commit, and just press enter. Okay, so this is easy way to make a commit. Now suppose if we want to push this file in our remote repository, or we want to create any branch. To create any branch, we have to write command git branch and branch name. In my case, I am taking name as login. Okay, to switch between branch, we use command here git checkout. By using this command you can switch any one branch to another branch. Okay, so let's go to our login branch. So here you can see we was in a master branch and now we are in the login branch. Okay, now let's make it commit in our remote repository. After committing the file, it will never show in our remote repository. To push this local repositories file in a remote repository, we have to create one repository in our remote repository. For that I am going to our browser. Okay, let me unzoom it. Let's create one repository here, new repository. Wait for a moment. So I am naming it git tutorial. Okay, it will leave as public. Description I am giving for learning crash course of git. Now let's create repository. So you can see here is some basic commands. To push, we have to copy this and let's come to our git folder. Okay, and then here let's paste it. Now press enter. Okay, and now we have to use this push command. Copy it and paste it over here. Now press enter. So here you can see our file is getting uploaded in our remote repository. Now let's go to our remote repository and refresh it. So you can see here this file we was created in our local repository. By using command push we had send it in a remote repository. So from here to clone this repository in your local repository, just you have to do copy this and paste it in your git bash here and just click enter and you will be have local repository of this codes. Okay, this files. So with this friend we have done basic command tutorial of git. We will see you in the next video. Till that, signing out from Kesri. Bye bye.